Hi, welcome to this video on Pionex. Now, we're going to cover a section of the trading bots in Pionex. So this ain't really a review of the exchange. I think this is one of the best exchanges out there with the most features. You got AI, you got best trading bots, and you've also got a very good perpetuals futures trading platform. And I do use this on a daily basis. And I've partnered up with Pionex to do something very different that's never been done before. So we're going to look at the trading bot side of things. Let me just pull up the right screen for you. That is not the right screen. This is the right screen. So when we look at the Pionex bots, they do multiple bots of their own. If we go to features bots, we'll just stick to Bitcoin for this example. And we can see that they do futures grid bot, DCA grid bot, coin futures grid bot, which is really good because you can make more Bitcoin. Cross margin bot, and I believe so that they do a Bitcoin growth arbitrage bot as well. So these are some bots that you could read up on and actually test yourself. But this is not what I want to cover. I want to cover the signal bot, but also take it to a different level. Now we can see that there is a bot running here, and it's up by $17. Nothing to be it's okay. It's just a futures DCA grid bot, but you want a bot in Pinex that is making a lot more money like this, you know. So you want a bot that actually trades in, out, in, out. So how do we actually do that? How do we get that bot onto Pinex as a custom bot where you can change the parameters by the use of AI? I'm going to show you something. First of all, if we go to, say, like this trading view indicator, this is a swing failure pattern indicator, like a swing low, swing high, tells you where to buy, tells you where to sell. So you can take a Pine script code from this and you can actually put that into Pinex and it will trade for you. And there's various different other indicators you can code yourself as well. But you're probably thinking, I'm not a coder. I don't know anything about coding. Yep. And this is for you. And before we go into that, we can add a runner code. A runner code works inside the TradingView code that's already scripted. I'm talking about this code. And we can see that although this code would actually open your long positions, you want something to manage those long positions and add to the positions, like an add here, take profit here, run it up to there. Do you understand? So, you know, you can actually take a swing low, swing high. That's a good strategy. You can be in and out. But we have one problem with TradingView. And although these strategies will work really good with the trading bots on Pinex, and they will work a lot better than the standard bots on there because I've tested them. But we want fast execution. We want fast trades. We want scalping. We're going to stick to Bitcoin. We want fast scalping trades in out, long short long, etc. How do we do that? How do we get that on there? So I'm actually holding a masterclass to teach everybody on how to do this. Okay, so you can actually go over to the link of the description of this video, and that will take you to this page. And you can sign up to this masterclass, which is going to be held, I believe, on the 1st of August. Okay, you can read up on it. So, coding trading bots from scratch. I made pre-made templates both for TradingView and also for Python as well. But we're going to come to that in a second. Then there's some AI strategies as well that you're going to learn how to code and tweak up. Most of the coding has been done by myself, so you don't need to do much coding. but you can change different strategies to your risk management, money management. So you'll learn all of this in this masterclass. And sign up process is very, very simple, guys. You sign up to Pionex using my referral link. Minimum requirement is only $100, but you probably will need more than $100 to trade on these bots. You need like at least $1,000 if you're serious about this. And once you have signed up to this page here and signed up to Pionex, deposited your money, you will need your UID number. And that UID number will go straight to our system that we built in WAP and will give us a notification that you have joined and you have deposited your $100. And just before the webinar starts, which is live webinar, okay, the masterclass, which is on the 1st of August 2026, 2 p.m. UTC time, you will get a notification in this WAP app. Yes, you will get a notification in the chat section, also in the signals section of this app, saying the webinar's about to start, and here is the link, and it will be done via Zoom. Okay, so you must turn on your notifications in your WAP app. If you do not turn on your notifications in your WAP, you may get it. You may get the announcement, but you may not get it in time. So you want to make sure that this is on. So once you have uh, deposited your $100, you hit this join button, follow the instructions. Okay, so we want trading bots, multiple trading bots that are going to earn a lot more, like you see on the screen. And one way we can do this is through Python coding. Okay, Python coding. You have a trap trader strategy, various different strategies we can apply. Now, you're probably thinking, well, I don't know anything about Python. I'm not a coder, I'm not a developer. I know. And this is for you, because what I've done is in this actual masterclass, you're going to get pre-made templates already for TradingView that you don't need to tamper around with. They're ready to go. But if you want to take things to a different level and you want continuous, a couple of strategies that I use, okay, which is trap traders, delta strategy, everything I teach in order flow, but a few of those strategies. And if you've done my order flow course, which is also free in the Discord, which is free to join, you'll understand. So we can get the bots to actually do this on Pionex using Python and API. And you will need KYC on this. And Pionex is also doing a good deposit bonus as well. Let's just quickly look at that quickly. So here is the offer Pionex is doing, sign up bonus. Now to get the free bonus, you need KYC to be done on there, but you also need KYC for API as well. Now what you can do is you can deposit $100, you get $100 free. But personally, if you're going to run bots, you need a minimum of $1,000, and you're going to get 500 grid bonus. So you can use your $1,000 for strategy that you're going to learn in this masterclass, and still have the $500, futures grid bonus that Pionex are going to give you as well. Now, obviously, in this masterclass, you're probably thinking, "Is this for me? Or, it's going to be too complicated." Let me just break it down for you, very, very simple terms. There are templates that are already made, that already work, and they've been back tested and currently run for TradingView, which you can apply through the Signals bot in Pionex straight away. For the advanced people who want to learn more on how to actually use strategies like trap traders, and I don't want to say too much on this video, some other strategies, we need Python and API connection to the exchange, which can be done in Pionex. It's very fast, low latency as well. So we want to know what's inside that code and how can we tweak it. Well, I'm going to be showing you my AI. This is my own AI, not ChatGPT or Claude or all the other stuff that you have to pay for. This is my own AI, which you can have access to. And all you do is drop the template in there, the Python script, and you talk to the AI and say, I want to make $500 a day. and it's going to tweak that strategy for you. You take that strategy and you apply it into Pionex. This is what you're going to learn. Now, it's very easy. You don't need to be a coder. All you need to know is how to type on a keyboard and talk to my AI, and it will do everything for you. So if you think this is for you, links in the description below for the web page. You can sign up and let's start making money. Have a great day.